Guys, check this out, y'all. I am about half an hour away from Atlanta, Georgia, and it's snowing today. We had notification from days before that we're gonna have a snowstorm pretty much. So oh man, I can barely get out of this truck, guys. Oh damn. Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So as you guys can see, it's currently snowing like crazy here, but I have to check my truck out. Oh man, I mean, it's not looking too bad. Pretty much I don't want to get snuck in this snow right here, you know what I mean? And this is already like 4 inches of snow right here where I'm walking. Oh damn, lights working, that looks good. Here is where I'm concerned about mostly. Right there, as you guys can see, it's building up right there. I gotta put on the heater and defroster later on, but for now, guys, the snow is getting worse right now, so I just want to go ahead and get as much as I can off of the truck, especially this area. I would hate to slip on this, man. God damn. Guys, look at how many battery we have to keep this truck going. Alright, that's not bad. Alright, that looks better. Alright guys, one more thing. So I want to add some of this fuel additive that I have right here. So this is pretty much going to keep the fuel from gelling up and turn into like a blob or jello. That's my heater that's currently running, guys. And my truck is on auto idle, so when the battery gets a bit low, it'll kick on by itself and idle and charge the battery up again. All right, that should be good. And I'll put some on the other side. Oh man, guys, I'm pretty much stuck in the stove. I'm pretty much stuck in the snow for today. I couldn't even say that properly. It's so cold right now, man. And as soon as I get back into the truck, I'll go ahead and idle the truck, so that way this the fuel additive can like go through the process of blending in with the diesel fuel and everything. The good thing is, guys, my lights are working. I can see that. No malfunctions. I would hate for that to happen, man. And there's no driving today, guys. I gotta pretty much shut down for today. Oh man, this wouldn't open. I gotta pretty much shut down for today. I don't know how long I'll be here, but it says it'll stop snowing at around midnight tonight or the morning time. I told you guys I have to organize all this right here, but I don't have the time to do that, man. I was super busy all day yesterday. Then I went to bed early last night. Oh man. But let's get some coffee, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my coffee now. I'm trying to get as much snow as I can out of this truck. As I told you guys, I have to put the heater and defroster on to get all of that melted out of there, man. I don't want to build up on this truck. That's the last thing that I want, especially on the top. Oh man, I can already see snow building up on the top of the truck, man. Guys, something crazy is happening. So remember I told you guys I have the heater on in the back, so it's super hot. Like in the back there, it's super hot. So on the roof, the snow is melting and it's coming down on the windshield. So this is making matters worse, but I don't have a choice at this point. I'll try to get as much as I can out of here, but for now, man, it's getting worse. All right, y'all. So this is me in the driver's seat now, just having some coffee right here and wafer bars. So that's all I can do for right now, guys. I'll probably take a lunch in about like 2 to 3 hours. It's currently like 9 in the morning. I woke up at like 6:30. I was about to start at 6:30 today, but I checked the weather and Atlanta is getting, they said they're getting like actual storm. I'm like half an hour away from Atlanta, Georgia. So yeah, I'm not taking that chance, man, to go down there, especially get stuck or potentially slip off the road or something, because this is not normal, you know, especially in the south. Oh man, guys, take a look at this. Guys, it's getting bad. The buildup is getting crazy. I'll put the heater and defroster on as soon as possible, man. I gotta get all this shit from my all this snow from my windshield, man. All right, guys, so let me go ahead and give this coffee a taste test, man, that I got today. I got in here, I got some coffee creamer, Maxwell House coffee, guys. It's like some type of cheap coffee, I know for sure, man. A whole bottle of Maxwell House is like, I don't know, $5. So let's give it a taste test, man. Man, everything tastes good for a truck driver, y'all. Especially in a snowstorm. If you can get coffee and food in your truck, man, that's good. The facility that I'm at right now, they have stuff for truck drivers here. They have bathrooms and stuff like that. They have vending machines. They have some amenities for truck drivers. It's they have a DHL here too, so yeah, DHL is pretty good. Cheers, y'all. Pop, pop. It's good, man. It tastes better in the cold. Yeah, hey, it tastes better in the cold. That's a hack. I have to eat this in the cold now. This doesn't go well in the hot sun, so I have some in the cold now. Alrighty, guys, so I'm gonna go out of the truck. I have it idling right now, and I'll keep trying to get as much snow as I can out of my windshield. Oh man, I hope I don't break my ass. Oh damn. I gotta get that big brush, man. I don't think this brush is doing much, but I'll try my best to get as much snow as I can out of the hood. And I have a bigger brush in the truck, guys, for my trailer, but that's too big, and I don't want to scratch the truck, you know what I mean? That the bristle is kind of hard, so I think that's gonna mess with that's gonna definitely mess with the paint job. Probably scratch it up, micro scratches. But at least this is getting something done. I just want the windshield wiper blades to work. I have the heater and defroster on full blast too, so that'll help. I'm gonna go to the other side now and see what I can do there. Hope I don't break my ass. Wish me luck. This side is even worse, guys. Look at the windshield wiper was trying to get some stuff out of here, man. Just got stuck. Oh damn. So you want to drive a truck, huh? You want to drive a big semi truck, man? This is what you're going to be doing, guys. Especially in the wintertime if you're over the road. You're going to be doing a lot of this, man. You're going to shut down for hours. Maybe a day or two. Even more, depends on where you're at. Especially if you're on the West Coast. North, West, Midwest area. Chicago, New York. On the East Coast. Massachusetts, Michigan, Ohio. It's snowing like crazy. I spoke to a friend of mine that drives truck this morning, and he was like, man, the amount of truck that's stuck on the highway, man, that he's seen already, it's not worth it to drive. We got to get this much out of here now. That looks good. Alright, that looks good. Let's see if the windshield wiper blade works now. Oh, damn. Oh, it shuts off. I knew that was going to happen. Alright. I have another driver that works for the same company. He's opening up his hood now. Oh, man. Oh, man. Alright. Alright, it's working. Yes! Let's fucking go! I am excited, man. It works. It worked. It works. Oh, let's go. Hell yeah. I don't gotta deal with that for like a good, I would say, 3 to 4 or 5 hours. Depends on how much it snows again. But as you guys can see, it's still snowing, but not as bad. Like, earlier, it was like raining and snowing at the same time, and it was like building up, man. It was bad. I'll show you guys what it looks like on the outside. So, as you guys can see, I'm outside of the truck right now. Pretty much snowing still. It's not as bad as earlier this morning. Down there. Oh man, just slipped. Yeah, that usually happens. I gotta be careful. A slip and fall is not gonna be good right now. I don't know if you guys can hear that right now, but that's the heater that's running, guys. I gotta keep that on. But I think it's melting, guys. Maybe because of the truck idles and it generates heat. But I think it's going away. It's melting now. That's good. That's a good sign, actually. That's a good sign. Maybe I can keep driving tomorrow morning. I can start at like 3 in the morning, 2 or 3 in the morning. I'll keep you guys posted, guys. What's up, guys? So it's currently about 2:30 in the afternoon, and I am having some spaghetti, y'all. Looks good, tastes good, and I have a can of Pepsi, y'all. I'm just spoiling myself today because it's the winter time. Oh man, I gotta stop drinking that Pepsi, y'all. That thing ain't good, man. It's 2025. I'm trying to stop, man, but yeah, I'm just taking one for the weather, I guess. But yeah, man, it's 2:30 in the afternoon, and I'm having lunch this late. But yeah, man, I'll keep you updated on the weather. But for now, I'll show you guys what it looks like. Guys, as you guys can see, the snow is melting, but it's raining and snowing periodically throughout the day, so it's unpredictable. You know, it says the rain and snow will stop at like 3 a.m. in the morning, so I'm hoping to keep rolling at 3 a.m. But who knows, man. The highways in Atlanta, Georgia is pretty much jammed. It's getting crazy. A lot of truck drivers are pulling over as well, getting into accidents. They don't want to stop, man.